Welcome back. Now, in addition to embedding videos from another video platform, direct linking from a site like YouTube or Vimeo, you can upload videos to Systeme.io if you're going to stream them to your customer. We are now inside of the lecture screen, and we're going to go back to the Media tab. We're going to pull over a Media tab into the page. That's going to bring us to our placeholder. We're then going to again click on top of the Video tab. We're then going to go back to the video type, and this time we are going to go to the upload file. You will then click on top of the video file area. That's going to bring you to a dialog box. What you'll then notice is that any videos that you have already uploaded to Systeme are then available to you. You can also click on this button to upload a video from your hard drive. What we're going to do is we're going to grab an existing video. We're then going to click on top of the video. We are then going to click Insert. Welcome back. Perplexity does have the ability. So our video now streams, and we stream it based on the fact that we have uploaded the video to our lecture page. So you can upload a video to Systeme.io in order to stream to your customer inside of any course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.